Online glasses deals can be great, but when you see brands with little track record, you have to ask, is Besyner a legit optical glass store or a scam that sells cheap products with poor service? Let's break it down. Searching for Besyner.com reviews, independent customer feedback is mixed but concerning. The site's Trustpilot score averages around 3 out of 5, with many buyers complaining about poor quality products, unexpected charges, and membership fees added without clear consent. Some report late delivery, low quality items, and hard refund processes. A security scan also flags Besyner.com as suspicious or high risk, a very low trust score typical of sites with weak transparency and limited history. While a few reviews are positive, the volume of complaints about refunds, unexpected charges, and customer service issues is a major red flag when it comes to online eyewear purchases. Buying any optical product online, especially prescription glasses, carries risk if the retailer isn't established. Without clear quality standards, you could end up with lenses that aren't accurate or frames that feel cheap. That's why trusted optical retailers with verified customer service and prescription support are usually safer. The final verdict: Besyner isn't necessarily a flat out scam, but there are multiple warning signs, mixed reviews, and trust scores that suggest it's risky for buying expensive glasses online. For optical gear, especially prescription eyewear, it's often worth paying a bit more to go with a reputable optician or verified brand store where quality and after sales support are clear. The bottom line: proceed with caution. This site has too many complaints to fully recommend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.